What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Now, most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one because beginners will only start with one account before they can put their trust into My Lead Gen Secrets like that. So I want to show you the type of results you would get if you did that, minimum effort. Now, you might get more sales than me, less sales than me. Might be some around, but this is the general idea of this is what I'm getting, and this is what I assume you guys will get as well. You know what I mean? So if you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first, guys, I want to mention something. Now, I'm putting out 2 videos today, and that's accidental. What happened was the video that was supposed to come out yesterday did not upload and go out. I'm so sorry about that. But I did record it and I'm pinning it out. It should have came out before this one. I'm still pinning it out. It should have came out yesterday, but I'm pinning it out before this one. And we got it going, okay guys? So, and what happened, I thought maybe I had uploaded and put like the wrong date for it to I usually schedule all of this stuff and then I go on about my day. I put the schedule up there. I thought maybe I picked the wrong schedule, and I did not pick the wrong schedule. YouTube just stopped it for some reason. I'm not sure. It didn't finish uploading for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry about that. But anyway, let's get back to it, right? Now, the reason I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because it's essentially a funnel builder. It's a really good funnel builder. Got no limitations on it. Only $25. You can do as many funnels as you want. All that good stuff, right? And the most popular funnel builder out there right now is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month with a ton of limitations. If you want to eliminate those limitations, it's $300 a month, which is absolutely insane. That's a year in this system here. That's a year in a funnel builder using this funnel builder. That's crazy. That's a year of payment. Anyway, guys, and I used to pay it. That's crazy, insane, right? And now the second reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate system, and I think you guys are interested too, because it's 80% recurring commissions, and that's the highest I have ever heard. This is the system that you want to promote right now, guys. This is it. 80% recurring commissions is unheard of. There's nothing even close to that. Highest on heard is 40% recurring. That's the highest on heard, period. 80 is insane, astronomical. All right, guys, I wanted to make sure I clarify that. And that's the reason why I like promoting. But anyway, guys, let's get to the results, guys. Refresh the page to show real results. All right, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Now, let me explain this sale here. This happened earlier yesterday, before I put out my last video. So this sale is in between the time of like 2-3 o'clock in the morning of Friday. So I mentioned it in my last video. All right, guys, but that's not a sale from that point, from 11 o'clock to this point here. So we didn't get a sale yesterday. In my mind, we didn't get a sale yesterday. All right, guys, but another thing I want to mention as well is that make sure people refresh the page before you show you results, so you'll know for sure that there are results. Because it's very easy to change these numbers around as long as you don't refresh the page. You can change these around and show results. And a lot of YouTubers do this, guys. Don't fall for it. They don't refresh, don't believe it. All right, so let's move on. Going to My Lead Gen Secrets here. All we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna click on all our leads here. We're gonna pick our next email here. We're just gonna go to the next email, upload it right there. You can copy it if you want to, whatever. We're gonna hit perfect time. Perfect time does send an email around time people check the email. Let me let you pause and be able to copy the email here a couple times. Just show all the email real quick. Make sure you guys can pause it and write it for yourselves. That's all there is there. Now you want to go with the link. The link you want to go with is the all-in-one $25 business sale. Now this promotes the $20 recurring commission and the $100 recurring commission. All right, guys, that's where these $100 recurring commissions are coming from, guys. Promoting this product, it promotes both, so that's why I say promote it. All right, guys, make sure to clarify. I made sure to clarify that for you guys. Make sure to make sure your link works here. That's where you check it with the preview there. I don't have to check because I'm just uploading an old email, and we're just gonna send it. And that is it, guys. That's all it is now. I'm very sorry for the confusion with my videos yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't get it uploaded, but I got it uploaded today if you're interested in seeing it. It should have been out a little bit. I think I put it out at 8 a.m. It should have been out a little bit before this video. And anyway, guys, y'all interested in following along, like I stated before, the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.